All right, still on the CSS matter now. We want see how we go take call CSS to our HTML page. So very simple stuff, you know hard. Three ways now if you say call CSS now inside your HTML page. Three ways. The first one na inline CSS. The second one na internal CSS. While the third one na external CSS. Three types: internal CSS, external CSS, then inline CSS. So I go show you the three ways and how we go use them, and advise now when you need to use them, and the best way where the best one for you to use to create your website. So most start with the first one now, which is inline CSS now. So if I go back to my browser now, you see I say I just plain HTML here now. See, and this is introduction to CSS. So what we want to now, you know that I say CSS now, it's time for cascading style sheet. Now they use now to beautify our web page. We figure use HTML now to write all the structure and the rest. The CSS now will grade the design and the rest stuff. So I'm show now. So for the inline CSS now, these are the one or two right time. For your HTML now, the element where like say you want design. Mostly now this H1 now want design now. This H1. What you go do now? You go target the H1. You go target them. So to target this H1 now, inside here, you remember that type of one I teach in HTML, I talk about attributes. When I say attribute now, if you say add some kind small function, some kind of small functions now to differentiate your different tags like that, you get something like that. So then I what we want to do for this H1 now. So what I go do now, for the opening tag of the H1 now, I'll come in, I'll create one attribute now, I'll call it style. You see, I'll say style. So this style now, it will be equals to this double quote where you see now. So inside this double quotes now I go to put my style. Now I want to style this guy. So we'll see now. We'll see. What I go do now? Come on, check something. Okay. All right. So inside this style now, I want color this guy. I want color this thing now. You see, I say original in a black now. The now this in a black. I want it now to red. What I go do now? I go say color. I'll say color, then I'll put red. Say color, put red, then close on with my semicolon. You see? So when I do like this, if I refresh, you see I say it don't turn to red now. You see? This thing now, it don't turn to red. Why? Because CSS now, it don't affect this my HTML for here now. It don't want the style and small for me now. You see? It don't turn to red now. So if you see come here now, after the semicolon, I go put space. Then I go say okay, I want to add another style now to the same H1. So which style I want to put now? If you look this one now, see I say all of them now, some now capital letters, now small letter. So I want to make all of them capital letters. What I go do now, come here now, I go say text transform. Text transform now. And see the good thing about this ID itself. Although if you a plugin, if you come by default, if you not come by on a very good, I go show you some kind about this ID or sorry, this code editor, show now how to download some kind plugins where go make on work fast. Since I type now, the thing they would give me hints and they give me example of what I want to do. So the one I want is now that is uppercase. So I could select an uppercase and I will close now with my semicolon now. So if I go back now, if I refresh, you see how everything is to uppercase now. You see? So this now inline styling. You see how say we just add small styles to this particular H1 now, and it affect this particular guy and it affect this guy. So these are inline styling. So one want to use this kind of one want just make kind of small change for just one particular element. If you just go in now, just throw the style, just as the style one want use or do one kind. Not because we want design all the things for inside H1 now, want make it fine. Or we go they do style. If you do one like that now, you go and say your CSS code now. It go too plenty, and once it plenty like that, and they mix with the HTML like that now, it no go too fine. You get it no go too fine. So in cases like this, say for instance, you get so many H1 for here now. Say I get many H1, I want to make all the H1 now. May they color them as red. I'm all of them be capital letter now. You get I get all of them like this now. If for instance now, and I saw one time now, I feel come here now again. I go say H1. I feel come here again now. I'll say H1. So when I say H1 now, I go say what's our type now? I'll see this now just another example. Just another example. You see? Now if you look at that, say this one are black because we never target them. If you don't know what you do now, if you just go and say, okay, since I want maybe the same thing now, I'll come here now, I'll just carry the same style now, cut place for here. If I go back now, see, it go work quite alright, fine. But now, so you wanted to leave. If you got to carry so many H1s, maybe you don't create many H1 now, you got to duplicate. It not gonna make sense now. What if tomorrow now you go say, okay, I want to change the styling for the H1 now. I want more the H1 color be blue. You got to go to find all where you write H1. You can't make the color blue. It not gonna make brain. So then I where we got to introduce the next way where we fit add CSS now to our HTML. I don't understand now. We get inline, we get internal, we get external. So I'm how the external they work now. The way the external they work now, you create inside this head now. You create style tag. You create style tag inside this head. So this style tag now for here now, you feel use and say target any element. You feel target any element now where you give inside this your body now. Target the element now, then style now. So most want to target this H1 now. Also want to target this H1. I think on here now go say H1, or say H1, then say I did right now. So I target H1, then I go open my curly bracket now, curly brace. What do they call that? Anyone you call it curly brace, curly bracket. Shall open now. So now the target is H1. And the target is H1. So what I go do now? My just say they affect all the H1 now. I go delete this style ready for here now. Or you know what? Might just leave this one, comment them out. Duplicate them, then comment this one out so that when I see there. Then I go delete this one, come out. Go delete this one, come out. Man, no say nothing they show for inside this place. Delete this one. Then I go see come here and I go target this other guy now. I'll delete him too. I go save. More go back to about the most CB. See and say the thing they normal. It didn't normal, will not touch anything. So now I come this place now. I already create H1 for this place now, for this style tag here now, which is our internal CSS. So what I go do next now, I go say the color. I want the color of all the H1 now, because now this H1 now this style now I go target all the H1 with inside this particular document too. I go target all the H1 with inside this particular document. Of course, okay. I want this H1 and make the color be blue. I want make the color be blue. So now I'm gonna go back more so that I work. You see now? You see now? It target all the H1 with inside this particular page. It target all the H1 now with inside this particular page. This particular style now they target all of them. And this is all the other styles where they we'll go let many style. We'll not the rush ones, we'll go let many style. So now when we target this one now, if this is okay, we want to make all the H1 and may there be how we put on now, how we put on. We want to make there be capital letter. Okay, I'll come here and say text transform now. Text transform, make it be uppercase. Make it be uppercase. Alright. So if I refresh now, see and say don't target all the H1 now. All of them are uppercase. Since we not target paragraph on this button now, they just did the way they did. They just relax. They mind your business. But for this two now, you see and say their color does change now. And the thing are uppercase. See and say the thing are uppercase. So what do we do again? See where this just see where this inline style go work now. Say maybe we don't target all of them now. We won't just change what kind of small thing for this one. So okay, more let this one be more style, or let this one different, maybe italic or something like that. Although that better ways though, but maybe I'll just show you something quickly. I think on this H1 now I go say style. I go say style, I go say what that is again to make an italic nasty. It's supposed to be text transform. No. Font style. Abi? Oh, this thing they don't fool my idea where. And if they remember on time self. So be font style. Oh. Yeah, a font style in italic. A font style. Italic. So the same. It does change this one with italic. And this very same thing now. You know, so we get tag for now. We'll talk on that time for one with the learn HTML. We'll talk on now. Say if you put I, you get one tag will be I tag now. That tag now, so italic now I go sit on the thing too. But me, I not really use all those because those are physical CSS now. Go use CSS to run and work you get. So you dey see what we dey do here now. So we dey use this H1 from the internal CSS now, which is this CSS where they inside this head part of your HTML now. We dey target all the H1 where they inside this particular documents now, for inside this body now. Then we'll call us okay. We don't target all the H1, their color, they're not fine, no. But this particular one now, so we'll just add one small thing for inside. You know, so we'll come this H1 here now. So we'll go add that small thing. I go affect all of them now. So what we do now, if we go target that particular H1 now, when we target her, we'll call okay, we'll just give inline style. And this kind of case, now you want to use this inline style. When you want to just target just one particular element, they just change one kind of small thing for inside. You get now that time now you use all this kind of one. You see, now make a come here and I say style, then I say font style, italic. You see, just to slant her. So this one now for the internal, how they call them now. Sorry, this one now for the inline style. Then this other one now for the internal style sheet. So remaining one now, which is the external style sheet. But let's say the video now, let's say the video very long. So you get happen be say una go use what they rest. Use as the practical kind of small things. You get if you go Google now, if you go research different type of how do you call it now style for CSS now. Although I go show na many things, we go do many. So I go show na many things. We never research. Just wait, more videos will come out. I'll show na many things. But if you the researching type, if you just go Google now, just type CSS styling and the rest. Like just do small research. You see different things. If you come here now, call the test you have small. They say this will be the go. You get. So what's going to happen at the next video now? I'll talk about external style. Styling with CSS now. I'll talk about the external CSS styling for the next video. So what we'll learn for this video now, we'll learn about the inline style, then we'll learn about the internal style. You get. So more will end this one here. I see my guy Big Tank from Double South, and you know the B. If you like the video, subscribe. If you not like the video, see subscribe, make it for no loss. So I go see you now for the next video. Thank you.